Hi guys, welcome. Take a seat, grab a book and a pen. Today we're talking about where to get patterns, crochet patterns. So, as it stands, you've learned how to crochet or you're learning how to crochet and you want to try out your skills, or you're an experienced crocheter and you want to try out, new things, crochet different things. They're like, where can I get patterns? Well, you've come to the right place. We're going to start off by talking about where you can get free patterns. So number one, you can get from Yarnspiration. It's a website basically, and they make yarn and they have a bunch of free patterns. I won't tell you that they are the best, but if you're looking for free is free, right? So you can check. If you search well enough, you can get good ones. That's all I can tell you. You can also check Ravelry. It's a platform where people drop a lot of, patterns and all that. If you search well enough, you can get some really good free patterns. You can check Pinterest. Pinterest has a couple of like free patterns. If you search crochet patterns on Pinterest, you can see a lot of pictures that will link you to a free pattern, or it can just be a picture that is describing to you a free pattern. You have YouTube. YouTube is always an option. If you're looking for a free pattern, YouTube is here for you. Also, Instagram. If you scroll well enough, if you search the right things and you scroll hard enough, you can find some relatively good ones on Instagram too. Now, for those that have a little bit of cash, you're ready to spend that money, you don't mind costs, you want to pay for a pattern, then you also have Yarnspiration again. Yeah, Yarnspiration also has paid patterns on it that are, if you ask me, better than the free patterns. They are more cuter options than the free pattern. You also have Ravelry again, because they also have cuter paid patterns. You also have Etsy, very good platform for getting paid patterns. Very cute. I've seen a lot of cute options there too. You have Coffee, also a very standard platform with a lot of paid patterns. They're not that expensive. The ones I've seen like relatively cheaper patterns. You can also check people's websites. A lot of people have their own websites that they sell their patterns on. If you search through TikTok or Instagram, you can find a lot of people with links to their websites where they sell their patterns. You can also get from books or magazines. Although that's a little bit more old-fashioned, but it's still an option. So you can always go for that too. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.